One pinhole leak under the bathroom sink, and the plumber says the whole house needs to be repiped. $8,000 to $15,000. Sometimes that's the honest call. Most of the time it isn't, and you can tell the difference yourself before anyone opens a wall. I'm Jason Hammond. I've repiped a house, and I've repaired plenty of pipes that a quote said were beyond saving. The answer almost never starts with the leak, it starts with what the pipe is made of. First, go look at your exposed pipes. At the water heater, in the basement ceiling, under sinks, galvanized steel, gray metal, threaded joints, and a magnet sticks to it. If your house still runs on galvanized, it's at least 50 years old, and it is closing up from the inside like a clogged artery. That's the real repipe conversation. Gray plastic stamped PB, polybutylene, installed from the late 70s to the mid-90s. You replace that on site. It fails without warning, and some insurers won't renew around it. Copper and PEX, those you almost always repair. Second, count the leaks. Don't react to one. A single pinhole in a copper line is a spot repair, a couple $100, half a day. But 3 pinholes in 2 years on different runs. That's not bad luck. That's your water chemistry eating the pipe from the inside, and every repair is just buying months. One leak is a repair. A pattern is a countdown. Third, the 2 symptoms that show up before the flood. Brown or rusty water on the first draw in the morning that clears after a minute, and pressure that keeps dropping at the fixtures. The shower going weak when someone runs the kitchen tap. Together, on a galvanized house, that's the inside of your pipes narrowing to a pencil. No repair fixes that. Fourth, the math is friendlier than the quote. A repipe today is usually PEX, not copper. Flexible line that pulls through walls with far fewer holes at a fraction of copper's material cost. An accessible basement or crawl space brings it down further. And if a kitchen or bath remodel is anywhere in your plans, repipe first. The walls are open anyway, and that timing alone can save you thousands. So, material first, pattern second, then the math. If you're staring at a repipe quote and you're not sure which side of the line you're on, send me photos of your exposed pipes and the quote. I'll tell you what I'd do in my own house. 1999 at hammondreengineered.com/report.